So here's how to add music to your WhatsApp story. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't miss any important steps. First you will need to go to your WhatsApp account. Once you are logged into your WhatsApp account, now here you have to go to the story option. Then click on the pencil icon and then click on the mic option to record any audio of yours while singing a song. This is the first method to add music on your WhatsApp story. Another way to add music to your WhatsApp story is that you have to go to your apps and then you have to open your Spotify app. Now here you have to select the song that you want to add to your WhatsApp story. After selecting the song, you have to play it in the background. Once you played the song, now you have to again go back to your WhatsApp account. Then here in the story option, you have to click on the video and you have to record a short video while playing the song in the background. Once you have recorded the video, now you have to click on the share icon at the bottom right corner to share the video as your status. As you can see that the song which I played in the background has been recorded in the video. So that's how to add music in your WhatsApp story.